Alright guys, let's get right into this. Today I'm going to be talking about a stock that is a golden nugget in the rough. This is a $17 stock that I see having some insane upside potential. And one of the cool things about this company is that they're actually already profitable. In fact, this is a company that has been making money for a while now. And there's even a chance that you might recognize the name. The stock I'm going to be talking about is called Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG, GNOG. And the reason why I said you might recognize them is that this is a company that has already established themselves in the gambling industry in places like Las Vegas and Atlantic City. They have hotels and casinos across the United States, in fact. But with Golden Nugget Online Gaming specifically, this is their online sector of the company. Online gaming and sports betting are two different things. Both of these industries, I think, are going to continue to grow over the next decade. But keep in mind, Golden Nugget is specifically in the online gaming industry, not sports betting. I think you should look at this company as an early play to an industry that is slowly starting to emerge. Now, the interesting thing about online gambling is the laws vary from state to state in the United States. The federal government lets the states decide their own laws for this. For example, New Jersey is one of the few states in the US that regulate and allow online gambling, but this is definitely going to change soon. Think about it. At least in my eyes, the government should have no incentive to keep online gambling illegal in the United States. There's too much money to be made that can count towards taxable income for the IRS. Simply put, I would be shocked if a majority of states haven't entirely legalized online gambling by 2025. So for business owners of these online gambling and betting companies, it just makes sense. I mean, brick and mortar facilities to gamble in are one thing, but think about the huge market share potential that's been untapped in the online gambling industry. It's huge. And Golden Nugget has been in the business since 2013. So this is a company that is not only profitable, but also has the network and business connections to be able to make their online gambling business available to all of the United States. They're an early player that is setting themselves up really nicely in this space. Golden Nugget Online Gaming reports record 2020 revenue, sees strong momentum in Michigan, strengthens leadership team. I mean, just look at this. They have a total revenue of between $90 and $91 million compared to $55.4 million in 2019. That's a growth of about 63%. That's really strong. And like I said before, this industry is still young, and this is a company that saw a growth of 63%. That's insanely impressive. So yeah, this company is profitable, and they're growing very nicely in an industry that is growing alongside it. But keep in mind, there are still risks with these kinds of plays. Even though I think online gambling will slowly become more and more accepted and legal in the States, there's still a lot of room for competition. I mean, I know these stocks aren't entirely the same, but you have companies like Skills, DraftKings, and Roblox, which are all of course different in their own respects, who are trying to tap into the different online gaming, betting, and gambling markets. Golden Nugget is pretty niche in that it's focusing on casino-style games. But yeah, overall, I'm very bullish on this company. And if you think that the online gambling industry is only going to grow over the next decade like I do, I think Golden Nugget seems like the perfect play to get into before this industry explodes. Now, please, I'm not a financial expert. I'm just an idiot online talking about stocks. So please do your own research and come to your own conclusions. But this is a company that saw a high of about $25 a share in stock price back in December of 2020. So we all know what this stock can do. And I feel like it's going to be an easy resistance point to break. It honestly wouldn't surprise me if this becomes a $30 to $40 stock soon. But only time will tell. So yeah, that's a wrap guys. Thanks for listening, and until next time.